Okay guys, so we're gonna start baking group, but before we start that, we're gonna also be aware that during every activity and throughout the day, we should be washing our hands. So we're gonna come over, then turn on the hot water, warm water. Gonna wet them, add soap, scrub. We're gonna get inside, outside, between our fingers. If you wear jewelry, you can remove it or you can move it out of the way. Get in our nails, sing ABCs or 20 seconds. Then we're gonna rinse the soap off. Nice and good. I'm gonna grab our paper towel. We're gonna dry our hands. And then we're gonna turn off our faucet. Try not to touch anything while our hands are being washed. Hi guys! Welcome to our baking group.
Yeah, we're gonna do baking today.
We're gonna make some nice, lovely, what kind of white cake with some strawberry frosting.
Yep.
You down? I'm down.
Yep.
All right.
And to start, we're gonna put the cake mix in. We're gonna use 2 cakes because we're gonna do a birthday cake and some cool, pretty Easter bunnies and egg designs, which are awesome.
So I'm gonna let you do the cake mix while I get the water ready.
Okay, perfect.
Cup.
Teamwork is important, right? So I hope you guys are all doing your goals and having so much fun. We definitely miss you guys. So let's get this
Easier
going.
to have extra hands.
Alrighty. So we already preheated the oven to 350. And we're gonna mix this up using a whisk. And since it's 2 things of cake, we're gonna double everything so that 2 cups of water with, or 2 and a half cup. Yeah,
so
2/4 is 1/2. So.
I thought it was 2/4 per box.
Yeah. And for 8 eggs.
That's why you double check ingredients, because I would mess that up, everybody.
8 eggs seems like a lot. But...
Well, double cake, double egg.
Yeah. All
I think
right.
this bowl is not big enough.
Yeah, I didn't think about that when I put everything in.
I'm going to.
So the oil would be a full cup because it's half for one thing, but alrighty guys. This cake is gonna be so good. So that is now 5 eggs. Six eggs. 7 eggs.
Make sure you take out your shells, just in case.
Yeah, those wouldn't taste too good.
Unless you like your cake crunchy.
8 eggs. And a full cup of oil.
And here's all of our pre-measured water.
Oh, that's gonna fill the bowl to the
Oh yeah.
All right.
You got that?
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of mussels.
Mix this.
Mussels.
And now, well, I'm mixing this so the cake doesn't stick to the bottom of the thing. Do you want to
pan the pans?
Yes, please.
I'm gonna do this over the sink because I like to miss.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So when you do this next time, make sure the bowl is going to be big enough because I'm struggling here very, very much. So the birthday cake that we are making is for April birthdays. Now, if anybody here has an April birthday, I want you guys to
get ready to sing happy birthday.
Get ready to sing and celebrate yourself because it is very exciting. Turning a whole year older.
We are hammed up. And while you mix, I'm gonna clean up so our workstation is nice and organized.
Awesome.
I'm also gonna keep one box out so we know what we're doing.
That sounds good. Always keep in mind that you should read your directions.
Sometimes multiple times if you're like me.
Do the same thing. These little molds, I'm going to use a scooper so that way it gets even, and hopefully they come out really cute.
Hopefully I put enough Pam so it doesn't stick. That's the worst.
Yes. Alrighty. And our oven just dinged, which means it is preheated.
But we're gonna wait till we have both cakes so we can put them in the timer at the same time.
Yep.
We'll move that
Now
out of
for
the way.
that big cake, we can just dump it all in. And scrape all the sides. We're ready to go.
Sometimes you find some things you didn't realize.
Yeah. There we go.
On the price side, it wasn't an eggshell.
Yeah. All set. So now we're gonna put it in the oven and we will see you guys when we frost it. So we can use these regular sprinkles for the cake. Make it look a little festive. I'm just gonna open it up because the holes are really small. And sprinkle some on for the cake. Looks so colorful. Now the cake is a funfetti cake, so it has sprinkles on the inside. So now it's sprinkled on top and it's sprinkled on the inside.
I'm gonna take these star ones and put them on the eggs. Although the bunnies, I don't know what we're gonna do with those.
Ah. Yeah, the bunnies may be tough. Now we have some little eggs here that we can always put around the edge to make it look a little bit more Eastery. So now we have a little Easter cake all set up, and we can even take one of our little eggs here, and if we want to, we can set it right in the middle, or more so in the middle. And there we go.
Ta-da!
So pretty. So here we have decorated our little eggs and our bunnies. So we have a nice cute smiley face here, and then we have a nice decorated egg right here, and then a cute little bunny right here playing in the grass. You see his little nose and his eye and his ear. So that's our finished product.
The cake is done, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to our April friends. You ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to